Want to run Alibaba's Qwen Ai on your PC without the internet? That means no data leaks, unlimited usage, and instant responses. And the best part, it runs completely offline. Let's set it up step by step. First, you need Alibaba, the software that allows you to run AI models locally. If you haven't installed it yet, check out our previous video for a step-by-step guide. But if you already watch it, let's move on. Now, open your browser and go to the Alibaba website. Once you're there, look for the Models section. Scroll down until you find QWEN 2.5 AI. That's the model we're going to install. Click on it, and you'll see different variants of the model. Choose the one that suits your needs, then copy the installation command provided on the page. Next, go to your Windows search bar and type Alibaba. Open the software. You can check your taskbar to confirm that Alibaba is active in the background. Now, open Command Prompt. Paste the command you copied earlier, and hit Enter. The installation process will begin, and depending on your internet speed, it may take a few minutes to complete. Once the installation is done, you can start using Qwen Ai directly from the terminal. But if you prefer a graphical interface instead of using the command line, you can set it up with Chatbox AI. To do that, open your browser and search for Chatbox AI. Click on the official website, and download the software. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder, open the Chatbox setup file, and install the program. Now, launch Chatbox AI and open the Settings menu. Under the API section, select Alibaba API. Then, go to the Model section, choose Qwen Ai, and save the setting. That's it. Now, you can interact with Qwen Ai using a graphical interface, making it even easier to use. But what if you ever want to uninstall Qwen Ai? Well, the process is just as simple. First, make sure Alibaba is running, then open Command Prompt and follow on-screen instructions to remove Qwen Ai from your system. And there you have it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.